Today's video is a quick, easy one. We're making satin shoe bags for our sorority sisters. It's so simple, it only takes 3 things: a Cricut cutter, some HTV vinyl, and the actual blank. So make sure you like and subscribe to the channel as the intro plays, and I will meet you on the other side. Welcome to Over Here We Craft, the channel dedicated to helping you turn your love of crafting into supplemental income. I'm DJ. I'm a small business owner, a crafter, and low-key, an undercover foodie. Connect with me on Facebook and TikTok, and don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helps you. Let's get in it. So, for today's project, we are going to be using 3 of our satin shoe bags. Our image is already printed on the front from our vendor. We're going to need our weeding tool and our heat transfer vinyl picker tool. I'm going to be using Little Baby today. That is my little handheld mini heat press that I got from Walmart, I believe. So now we're going to go ahead and begin to weed the vinyl. This is just standard. I already had cut it out on the Cricut machine, and now we're going to weed. So now we are finished weeding. We've taken them off the mat, and now we're going to get ready to apply them to our blank. However, you notice it's not in a straight line. That's because I'm using leftover vinyl from my 15-inch roll, and we don't want to waste anything. So I'm using Little Baby. I am setting the heat temperature. It goes all the way up to 4. It has a little handle that it can allow it to sit on the table and not worry about tipping over. And so while that is getting up to temperature, I am going to go ahead and cut my words so that I can lay them down on the shoe bags the way that I need them to be. So the first thing that I'm going to do is separate the word soror and the customer's last name. I'm going to clean that up a little bit because we don't want to have the vinyls overlap with each other, because once they melt down into the garment or the bag in this case, it will ruin your bag if you don't have them laid down properly. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this part up so you can get to the next stage. All right, now that we have gotten our Little Baby heat press up to temperature, we're going to go ahead and apply that to our beautiful satin bag so that we can get some of that moisture out of the garment. And now we are going to apply our name. Now remember, we're using some of the extra vinyl we had left over from that 15-inch roll, because we don't throw anything away over here at Over Here We Craft for money, because that's helping us keep more supplemental income inside of the business. So next thing you see me doing is lining up the names around the beautiful arc and making sure that it's even and centered. And I'm really particular about this because I want to make sure that when I make something for my customers, but especially my sorority sisters, I do it with love and patience. So we're going to go ahead and get these letters laid down on our shoe bags, and then we're going to apply a little bit of heat to them. Does not take much time. I think the temperature on level 4 is like 325 degrees, which is perfect for heat transfer vinyl. I am using Siser heat transfer vinyl in pure white. Sometimes I will use a white glitter Siser vinyl, but this time today I'm just using white. So as you see, I'm just going to press it down, apply medium pressure to it. The handle is very user friendly. It allows you to put just enough pressure on top of it, and I'm just going to rub it over the letters and make sure that I apply even heat all across all the letters of the vinyl. We're going to go ahead and test that, and we slowly peel away. I definitely advise that you slowly peel away heat transfer vinyl, because if one of the letters start to lift, you can always press it back down and apply a little bit more heat. But if you rip it right up without giving it a little bit of time, you'll pull those letters up and then that bag would be ruined. And what does that do? Chip into our supplemental income, which we do not want to do. We want to keep as much income in the house as we can. So we're going to go ahead and finish this first one on up for Soror Brit, and then I'll speed up the video because the process is really the same for the last 2 bags. All right, so now we've got to wrap them because they are a free gift for an order that they did this week. I have these wonderful bags. You might have heard me talk about them in a previous video, but I get them from Uline. They're clear. They really highlight the vibrant colors of the products that I use them for. It allows me to slide the bag in nice and simple. They slide right in. They fit. I use these bags for coffee mugs, my tumblers, sometimes my youth t-shirts, depending on how many I'm trying to package, but they work beautifully for our shoe bags. I keep my thank you stickers nearby because I believe in thanking each and every person who decides to purchase anything from my company, Finer Deals. I don't believe that you can say thank you enough to people who are supporting your entrepreneurial dreams. So I definitely say thank you as many times as I can. So we're going to go ahead and bag up the last two. And just like that, we're done. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, everybody.
Now don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And to all my money makers out there, you can do it. I believe in you. Now go be great.